Yarny.
Welcome back to Yarny. In this video, you will learn how to do the front loop single crochet, a very basic stitch in the crochet world to learn as a beginner. It will be used in various projects and patterns. Let's get started. In order to show how to do the front loop single crochet, I've already crocheted a chain of 14 as a sample, and then I did the first row full of single crochet starting from the second chain from the hook, and then I chained in my last stitch and I turned my project around. Now, to show you how to do the front loop single crochet, it's very easy. If you look at your project from the top like this, you basically see a bunch of V formations. So these little V formations that you see here are one stitch. Every V is one stitch. Now, each leg of the V is a front loop, has a front loop. So if I insert my hook under so that it comes out in the middle of the stitch and my hook is under the front loop. So this is what we call the front loop. So it's always the side of the V that is closest to you. Now, the single crochet in the front loop, very simple. You insert your hook under the front loop, so the leg of the V that's closest to you, with your crochet hook coming in the middle of the stitch. And then you grab onto the yarn and pull the yarn back through the front loop, and you have two loops on your hook. You wrap the yarn around your hook, pull it through both loops. And this is how you do a front loop single crochet. So demonstrating again, if you look at your stitch from the top here, you would basically insert your hook under the front loop only, so the leg of the V that's closest to you, with your hook coming out in the middle of the stitch. Then wrap the yarn around your hook, pull it through back through the loop, and then you have two loops on your hook. Wrap the yarn around your hook, pull it through both loops, and just like that you simply have your front loop single crochet. So I've just completed my full row of front loop single crochet. What you want to do if you have a big project, for example a blanket, and you only want to work front loop single crochet on the entire blanket and you want to add rows, you would simply chain and then turn your project around to work from the right to the left, and you just keep going, inserting your hook under the front loop only, so the leg of the V that's closest to you, with your hook coming out the middle of the stitch. Then wrap the yarn around your hook, pull it through. You have two loops on your hook. Then wrap the yarn around your hook to pull it through two loops here. So this is how you just keep adding on front loop single crochet. And this is, like I said, a very simple stitch to reach a specific desired result for your project. And it's also used in amigurumi if you're ever doing amigurumi. So I'll let you go to practice your front loop single crochet. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.